Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the sun-soaked paradise of Iberostar Origin Bella Vista Varadero, a stunning beachfront resort that's been making waves in Cuba's famous Varadero beach area. Grab your virtual sunglasses and let's explore this tropical gem together. Let's kick things off with the accommodations, shall we? Iberostar Origin Bella Vista offers a range of room options to suit every traveler's taste. The standard rooms are comfy havens designed for up to 4 guests, perfect for families or small groups looking to share some quality time. These rooms come equipped with all the essentials. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that Caribbean heat, flat-screen TVs with channels for the kiddos, and a minibar that's regularly restocked because, let's face it, vacation calories don't count. Now, if you're a sucker for a good view, and who isn't, you might want to splurge on one of their ocean view rooms. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and stepping out onto your balcony to see that endless blue horizon. Talk about starting your day right. But wait, there's more. For the adults looking for an extra touch of luxury, the Star Prestige rooms are where it's at. These exclusive digs come with perks like priority check-in and check-out, because who likes waiting in line, fancy bathrobes and slippers, hello, Instagram outfit of the day, and access to a rooftop area with panoramic ocean views that'll make your followers green with envy. Just remember, folks, this is an adults-only zone, so leave the little ones with grandma for this one. Now let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without some good eats? Iberostar Origin Bella Vista doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. The star of the show, pun intended, is the Miramar restaurant, an adults-only rooftop venue that's exclusive to Star Prestige guests. Picture this. You're dining on gourmet international cuisine, maybe some fresh seafood or Cuban specialties, all while watching the sun dip below the horizon. It's the kind of meal that makes you want to pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. But don't worry if you're not in the Star Prestige Club. There are plenty of other dining options to tickle your taste buds. The resort boasts multiple buffet-style restaurants, serving up a smorgasbord of international dishes. You can hop from Italian pasta to Asian stir-fry to good old American burgers without ever leaving the property. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit fancy, there are themed specialty restaurants where you can dive deep into authentic Cuban cuisine. Just remember to pack your stretchy pants, because with all this delicious food at your fingertips, you're gonna need After all that eating, you might be thinking it's time to work off some of those vacation indulgences. Well, you're in luck, because Iberostar Origin Bella Vista has got you covered in the activities department. Let's start with the pools, shall we? This place is practically a water wonderland, with multiple pools scattered throughout the property. There's a big family-friendly pool where the kids can splash and play to their heart's content, and an adults-only pool in the Star Prestige section for those seeking a more tranquil swim. And for the little ones, there's a splash pad that'll keep them entertained for hours. But here's the real kicker. The resort is just 10 meters away from one of Cuba's most famous white sandy beaches. That's right, you're literally steps away from paradise. The calm waters are perfect for swimming, and if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can try your hand at some water sports. Kayaking, snorkeling, diving, you name it, they've probably got it. And the best part? You don't have to lug around your own beach gear. The hotel provides loungers and towels, so all you need to bring is your sunscreen and a good book. But wait, there's more. For those days when you're feeling a bit more active, the resort has a fully equipped fitness center. You can keep up with your workout routine, or maybe try something new. Who knows? You might discover your hidden talent for Cuban-style Zumba. And if all that exercising has left you feeling a bit sore, why not treat yourself to a spa day? The spa facilities offer a range of treatments that'll have you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated in no time. Massages, beauty therapies, you name it, they've got it all. It's like a little slice of heaven right in the middle of paradise. Now, if you're traveling with kids, you might be wondering, but what about the little ones? Well, fear not, because Iberostar Origin Bella Vista has thought of everything. They've got a kids club that'll keep the youngsters entertained all day long. We're talking supervised games, play sessions, and activities that'll have your kids begging to go back every day. It's like a vacation within a vacation for them. And while the kids are having the time of their lives, you can sneak off for some adult time without feeling guilty. It's a win-win situation if you ask me. But let's not forget about the world outside the resort, because Varadero has some pretty cool attractions that are worth checking out. Just a short taxi or bus ride away, you'll find the downtown area of Varadero. It's a great place to do some shopping, try out some local restaurants, or soak up some Cuban culture. If you're into nature, Joson Park is just a hop, skip, and a jump away. It's a beautiful botanical garden with a lake, perfect for a romantic stroll or a family picnic. And for all you dolphin lovers out there, the Delfinario de Varadero is nearby too. Who doesn't want to see some playful dolphins up close and personal? Oh, and if you're feeling a bit adventurous, the Cueva de Ambrosio caves are about 15 to 20 kilometers inland. It's a great day trip if you want to add a little Indiana Jones flair to your beach vacation. So what's the verdict on Iberostar Origin Bella Vista Varadero? Well, let's break it down. The location is an absolute winner. You're right on one of the most beautiful beaches in Cuba, with that postcard-perfect white sand and crystal-clear water. The resort itself is a bit of a crowd pleaser, catering to both families and adults looking for a more exclusive experience. The Star Prestige concept is a nice touch, giving grown-ups a chance to enjoy some peace and quiet, and that rooftop restaurant view is pretty hard to beat. The variety of dining options means you're unlikely to get bored with the food, which is always a plus on an all-inclusive vacation. However, like any resort, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have mentioned that the food quality and service speed can be a bit hit or miss, especially during busy periods. And while the Wi-Fi is free in public areas, you might find yourself paying for it in your room, which can be a bit of a bummer if you're trying to make your friends back home jealous with your beach selfies. But hey, maybe that's just an excuse to disconnect and really enjoy your vacation, right? One thing that really makes Iberostar Origin Bella Vista stand out is its commitment to blending family-friendly amenities with adults-only luxury. It's not easy to cater to both markets, but this place seems to pull it off pretty well. The vibrant, tropical design of the resort creates a welcoming atmosphere that'll have you feeling those vacation vibes from the moment you step through the door. And let's not forget about those lush tropical gardens surrounding the complex. It's like staying in a little slice of paradise. Now, if you're planning a business trip or a special event, you'll be pleased to know that Iberostar Origin Bella Vista has got you covered. They offer conference facilities for those who need to mix a little business with their pleasure. Just imagine closing that big deal with the sound of waves in the background. Not too shabby, right? But what really brings a hotel to life are the experiences of its guests, and Iberostar Origin Bella Vista has its fair share of happy campers. Many guests rave about the friendly staff who go above and beyond to make their stay special. There are stories of surprise room upgrades, personalized birthday celebrations, and staff members who remember guests' names and preferences year after year. It's these little touches that can turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.